Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest reviews on digital products. Today, we have an exciting lineup of the top 3 best AppSumo lifetime deals for 2023. These deals are game changers for writers, marketers, and business owners alike. So, without further ado, let's dive into our reviews. Number 1 on our list is Word Hero. With over 10,000 satisfied users, Word Hero is the go-to tool for writers, marketers, and business owners. This AI-powered content generator allows you to create original blog posts, social media content, emails, and more in just seconds. With 70-plus writing tools at your disposal, Word Hero covers every use case, from blog articles to ad copy to emails, and everything in between. The AI technology behind Word Hero is built on top of the world's most advanced language model, with 175 billion machine learning parameters. By using Word Hero, you can save hours of writing, eliminate the need to hire expensive copywriters, and speed up your time to market. The process is simple. Choose a writing tool from the 60-plus options, enter some keywords using the helpful prompts, and press generate to let the AI write for you. Word Hero has received rave reviews with a 5/5-star rating from hundreds of verified customers. Plus, they offer a just-take-a-look 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it risk-free. Word Hero offers 2 pricing plans: Pro Monthly for $49 per month and Pro Yearly for $348 per year, $29/month paid yearly. Number 2 is WriteCream. This AI-powered tool is perfect for generating icebreakers, creating marketing content, and crafting sales emails in seconds, all at a fraction of the cost. WriteCream can personalize cold emails, LinkedIn outreach messages, backlink campaigns, and more. It offers a wide range of features, including an Android and iOS app, Chat Genie with the power of Google Search, command mode for precise instructions, AI-generated art, and a long list of writing tools. With WriteCream, you can generate 2,000-plus word blog articles in under 2 minutes, create Facebook and Google ads with a single click, and even transform your thoughts into remarkable artwork using AI. The pricing plans for WriteCream include a free forever plan with limited credits, a $29/month plan for unlimited credits, a $49/month standard plan with 200 credits, and a $69/month extended plan with 750 credits. Number 3 on our list is MySignature, an intuitive email signature generator that helps boost your personal brand. Your email signature plays a significant role in your business image, and MySignature makes it easy to create professional and branded email signatures for various email clients like Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, and Office 365. With MySignature, you can generate email signatures from any internet-connected device, choose from a variety of templates, and easily customize your signature to include clickable email banners, links to landing pages, and interactive CTA buttons. It also offers email tracking for Gmail, allowing you to know who opens and clicks your emails. Using an email signature for business correspondence enhances your personal brand, sets an additional marketing channel, and helps develop relationships based on trust. MySignature offers a free forever plan with limited credits and paid plans starting from $29/month. And there you have it, our top 3 AppSumo lifetime deals for 2023. Word Hero, WriteCream, and MySignature. These tools are revolutionizing the way writers, marketers, and business owners create content, streamline their workflows, and enhance their social media presence. If you're interested in any of these deals, make sure to visit the links in the description below to learn more and take advantage of the limited time offers. Remember, these AppSumo lifetime deals won't last forever, so act fast to secure these incredible tools at unbeatable prices. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and digital product recommendations. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll bring you even more game-changing tools and deals. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep achieving your digital goals. See you soon.